If you've been anywhere near the meme coin space recently, you've probably heard of the FOMO app, and that's for a very good reason. And yes, the name is intentional, but is it actually worth using, or is it just another trading app trying to ride the hype? I've been using it for about a month now, and I'm going to give you my honest take on it, the things I like, the things I don't like, and yeah, just whether or not you should actually download it or not. So FOMO actually started as a mobile only app, but they just came out with their web app here a couple weeks ago, and that's what I am showing you right now. And honestly, it works really good. Both the app and the web app are working really amazing. And one of my favorite things is it's all self-custodial, so you can export your private key to an external wallet and just manage all your coins. Like you actually own your coins. You're not putting them on like a centralized exchange as far as that goes. And along with that, it's a multi-chain wallet, so you can actually buy coins on all different chains. So you see here we got an Ethereum coin, you got Solana coins, obviously. You got base coins. You can go buy some BNB coins. Yep, there's a base coin, another Ethereum. You got BNB Monad. Here's a BNB coin right there, you guys. So it's got all of that on here as well, which is really incredible. You can actually just deposit with Apple Pay as well, so it's really seamless, just like you can instantly get going. And the best thing about this, you can just use this as a tracking tool if you want to. You don't actually need to like put money in it and trade. You can just use it for like the feed here. You can see all the different top traders. So usually the feed only shows you people buying positions if they're buying with over $1,000. So it kind of filters it that way. But if you actually click into a coin, like let's see this one right here, you can go over to swaps and you can filter the size. So like I can change it to all swaps. It'll show you all size. It'll show you people buying with however much size you want to see. You can also see people's thesis on the chart here, what they're saying about it. You can also go over here and see all the thesis, how much they're holding, what they're saying about it. Another great thing about this app is the fee structure. Like it's really upfront. When you go to buy a coin, it's going to tell you the exact amount of fees that you're going to be paying. And as far as like the blue chips, you pay little to no fees. Like it's some of the cheapest fees you'll find on the blue chip token. So that's really nice. That's a lot of the things I like about FOMO, but the things I don't like, or the things I think you should probably watch out for, is you can get trapped a lot of the time, like following the feed and trying to chase all these different people's trades. There's so many people just buying stuff all the time on the feed. So you got to kind of just still do your own research. Don't just blindly like ape something. If you see a KOL, there's a lot of the top KOLs on here, pals on here. You got just tons of different people on here. Alon, Cousin Crypto, like all the different KOLs are using FOMO. So you just got to be aware, do your own research, just use it as something to just kind of, it's just another tool to use. You don't want to just go blindly ape everything that people are buying. And if I had to say one more downside, it's probably that you can't really use a hardware wallet with it, from as far as I can tell. Like if you're wanting to use a ledger or something, I don't think it supports actually buying through a hardware wallet right now. So that's something that they'll probably work on in the future, but at the moment, that is not something that they have. Now, going over here, if you want to discover things, this is actually pretty nice. They have trending tokens, so you can see all the different trending tokens right now. You can go to the most held, so all the different most held tokens, especially on FOMO here. Graduated, you can see recently graduated tokens, and I feel like this actually shows you some decent tokens sometimes. Obviously you want to be very, very careful if you're using recently graduated, but it does show you some good tokens as far as like other newly created trading terminal watch lists and stuff. This fares pretty well. I feel like it does show you some solid picks. So overall, like if you ask me, is FOMO worth it, I'd say yes, 100%. I've used basically every single trading platform out there for meme coins, and this one by far takes it, just as far as being able to see kind of what's going on in the world of meme coins, what everyone's doing. You can see everyone's thesis on all the different coins. Like I said here, I click on this coin, you get to see what everyone's saying about it, why they're buying it. And yeah, I really like that aspect. You also got to be careful with that, but overall, guys, FOMO is amazing. If you haven't tried it, I definitely recommend it. And if you want to check it out, I'll go ahead and leave the referral link in the description there. If you want to try it, if you use that referral link, you'll get a discount on your trading fees. So yeah, guys, that is FOMO, and make sure to subscribe. I'm going to be dropping a lot more crypto content. So yeah, much love, and I'll catch you in the next one.